Hey people, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how I did my individual lashes at home for the first time. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So I'm going to be using the Case INV Premium individual lashes and the glue that goes with it, and I'm just putting the glue on the knot and the back of the individual lash at the same time, just because you have to put the lash on your actual eyelash, not too close to the lid and not too far away from the lid. So if it's on the knot alone, it won't really have anything to stick to. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just putting it on my lash and as close as possible to the lash line, but not on the lash line exactly. And what I actually do when I put it on my lash, I kind of wait a minute or so and I fan it just so the glue can be a little bit tacky, and then I squeeze it with the tweezer and my lash. I just squeeze everything together, and then everything just comes together and merges together. And I figured this out with trial and error, because this was a trial and error, honestly. That is why you can see like some of the glue on my lash line right there, but I kind of figured out a way to go around it and make it work. So what I did was, instead of pouring the glue on like a container or something, I just left the glue in the bottle, and like you saw in the clip before, I just dipped the knot in the glue, and that worked for me. Like before, the glue was drying up on me and it was just a hot mess. So just putting the lash in the glue bottle, that worked for me. So that's what I've been doing. And if you're gonna do it this way, just be careful, because you can pick up a lot of glue and then it's gonna be a hot mess on your eyes, and you don't want that. So just be careful if you're gonna do it this way, and also make it tacky before you put it on. What I did to get like the flare in the corner of my eyes, for example, if I'm doing my left eye, I would squeeze the left side of the lash and tilt it to the left as well. So since I'm doing my left side right now, this is a perfect example. And if you're doing the right side, the same applies. It's vice versa. But you also have to remember that when you're bringing in the tweezer and your lash to your eye, just remember that the fans should be pointing right, because naturally, like in this clip, the fans are pointing to the right. So just be mindful that the fans should be pointing to the right. If you're doing it and the fans are not pointing to the right, then you probably missed a step. So this is a finished product and I'm pretty proud of myself. I decided to do this on a whim. So if you found this helpful and you like this video, subscribe, share, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in my next one.